The swearing-in of President-elect Edgar Lungu has been postponed. The country's main opposition, the United Party for National Development, is planning to petition the Constitutional Court on Friday. It's disputing the outcome of the August 11th presidential polls. The Electoral Commission declared Lungu the winner with 50.35% of the total votes cast. Opposition leader Hakainde Hi-chilema garnered 47.67% of the votes. Now, CCTV's Clementine Logan is keeping tabs on that story for us and now joins us live from Livingstone. Clementine, you're in the south of Zambia, which is traditionally an opposition stronghold. What has been the reaction there to the UPND's efforts to petition the election, and what can we expect in the days to come?
Well, Mahir, it seems that many people here are satisfied with the route that the UPND is taking, which is to petition this election through the Constitutional Court. And apart from clashes between rival supporters in a nearby town following the announcement of the results, the rest of the southern province has really been peaceful, including here in Livingstone. And that's something that many Zambians I've spoken to said was very important to them. They didn't want to see violence erupt across the country during this period of uncertainty. Now, under the law, the UPND was given 7 days from the date the results were announced to petition the election and file their legal documents. As you mentioned there, and I spoke to the deputy spokesman of the UPND earlier today, they will do that tomorrow morning, I'm told. Now, from that point, the Constitutional Court has up to 14 days to rule on the matter, and there are several possible outcomes. The court could order a rerun if neither candidate was shown to have obtained that 50% plus one of the vote, which was needed to win. It could also nullify the election if serious irregularities are proven to have taken place. And it could also announce an outright winner, in this case either Edgar Lungu or Hakainde Hi-chilema. Until the court makes its decision, though, Edgar Lungu, as you mentioned, cannot be officially sworn in. This is something he's conceded. And so during that period, the Speaker of the National Assembly will take over the executive powers. Now, Hakainde Hi-chilema had expressed optimism earlier this week that the court would rule in the party's favour. He said he was confident it would declare the results a nullity. But the court will have a lot of information to sift through in the coming days, and as I said, it could be up to 2 weeks before we know the outcome. Back to you.
Clementine, thank you very much for that update. CCTV's Clementine Logan joining us live from the south of Zambia in Livingstone.